Hi everyone, today we are introduce how to install and remove the freewheel. Remove the spacers from the motor. The motor is for rear screw freewheel. Install the freewheel on the motor like this. Loose the freewheel from the motor with a spanner. After it is loose, remove the freewheel. Then how to install and remove the cassette freewheel. Remove the spacers from the motor. The motor is for rear cassette freewheel. Line the teeth in the middle of the freewheel on the motor cover. Install the freewheel repair parts and spacers on the motor. Continue thread the freewheel clockwise by hand until the freewheel feels fully tighter. Use a chain wrap to fully set the freewheel. Continue to remove the freewheel.